Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. What is going on, Docs Gang? How are you doing? You lit? You good? I know you're lit. You're good. You're watching my videos. Of course you're good. Today, we are going to be doing a Drake type beat. I've only done one. Actually, I've only done one Drake type beat on this channel. Yeah, so we're going to do a Drake type beat, but I'm going to do like a A side and B side thing. So like his trap side and then the like R&B side. I'm going to try and do a beat for both. So I'm going to make two beats in this video, which is going to be pretty interesting. I've never done this before. And it's going to be probably a much longer video than normal. So yeah. Let's get into it. So don't forget, if you haven't done so already, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and comment on videos I should do in the future in the comment section below. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on post notifications because you don't want to miss my videos, guys. So yeah, let's open up Omnisphere. No, wait, it's already open. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the, I don't know, should I do A side, B side? I'm gonna flip a coin. Here's a coin. Alright, so heads is A side, goes first, tails is B side. Alright, cool. Tails, so we're starting with the B side first. So that's the R&B side. Let's find some stuff for R&B. So with R&B, obviously you're gonna slow that BPM down a little bit. We're not doing trap, we're doing R&B, but slow it down. Bring it down to 114. Alright, so what I was thinking was I was gonna use like a pad. And people say pads suck in Omnisphere, but I beg to differ, because I found a few pads that sound pretty damn nice. So we're gonna go ahead and try something out.
One eternity later.
Alright, cool. So we got a pad melody for the B side beat. So that's the R&B one. I'm gonna make it, I'm trying to make it a little bit more slow, ambient stuff. So here's what I got for the pad. All right, cool. So hopefully this pad works and it's good. All right, now I'm just gonna find some like some bells, some to like add to that melody. And I think I have something in mind. All right, I knew it wouldn't work. All right, I gotta change the pad now because it's just one of those. I think that's why people hate it, because the pads they sound nice, but it's like they're delayed. They're always got some slow ass attack. Why is the attack on this pad so slow? All right, let's try to add growth beat to that actually. Let's try and add growth speed to that. I don't want to change that pad. The pad sounds so nice. Oh, I don't even want to. Sake. All right, my God, this is like literally perfect, and it just wants to f up. Awesome. All right. All right. Cool. All right. Where's my damn bell? Y'all hear that? I just clicked on a completely random sound and it just I have to make this work. I'm sorry. Like this pad, nah.
Eventually.
Okay, I'm gonna have to record this in Edison because I just can't be asked. This is bullshit. Edison, where the flippin' hell are you? Alright, here is what the melody sounds like. Does that sound like a Southside type beat to you? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. So, now it's time for the fun part. Let's do the drums. I am super hyped to do the drums right now. Now the only problem is I don't know what to do for the like 808 bass, 808 like thing, the low end. I don't know what to do right now. So I'm gonna try everything. I'm gonna try the 808. Nah, I do not want the spins. Absolutely not the spins. Definitely not the spins. I don't think so. I hope not. I think I know what I'm supposed to do. Guys, I think our B-side is looking pretty nice, okay? It's looking pretty nice, all right? Do I want to show you guys what I have so far? I will not show you. Actually, yes, I will. Why not? Just here's what my B-side sounds like. I'm gonna tweak it a little bit, so here's it. Guess what I got so far? I need to add a kick. I just forgot. I need to add a kick. Let me, I'm gonna add that real quick. Guys, the B-side is done. All right, I need to mix it still. I need to add some more reverb on it because it's R&B. We need reverb. B-side's done. All right, it is now time for the A-side of the Drake type beat. Well, it's 2 beats because I already did the B-side, but now we're gonna do the A-side. I'm gonna try and go for like a survival mob ties vibe, if that's even possible. All right, moving along, let's find a bell. Shall we? Let's find a bell. Wow, that's pissing off. Okay, the melody is done. I don't know how close of a Drake type beat this is, but we'll fix some things around. But this is what I got so far. I just used like a guitar and like a, you know. So I used for the first one I used this granular Bella, and the second one I used, what's it called? Jazz guitar fingers. So yeah. Yeah, and what's pretty cool is I added a arpeggio to the guitar one. I just messed around with it a little bit and did this, and originally it sounds like this. All right, there's the melody. All right, cool. So let's move on to the drums. All right, so I got this snare that I want to use. I don't know if that'll work out at all, but we'll try it anyway because I like to do that. I already have it there. Alright, cool. So we got most of the drums done. I did some hi-hats. The hi-hats are very simple actually. They're very simple. I did was just roll them a little bit or whatever. Then I, what else did I do? Nothing really. Oh yeah, I added a clap. I layered this thing with a clap. But yeah, let's add some 808. So I am back from my camera dying because it died in the middle of me making the 808 pattern, but 808 pattern came out nice, and I also put the gross beat back on the guitar, and it sounds nice. So I'm just gonna play you the 808, and then I'm gonna arrange the beat, and then we're gonna be done, and then yeah. So let's do that. Here's the 808 and the kick actually. that's it. That's it. So now I'm just gonna rearrange the beat, make it look nice or sound nice, and yeah, so let's do that now.
2,000 years later.
All right, there you have it. There is there's the Drake type beat, or beats I should say, since I got the A side beat and the B side beat. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I said like twice. And don't forget to turn on those notifications while you subscribe. And yeah, it's pretty fun to make, I must say. Appreciate all you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.